Hi folks, it's Rob here, and first run of my new present to myself.
Ooh, look at that.
The Tamiya HotShot 4-wheel drive.
It's a beauty,
with
mate.
Mark on the gimbal, having
Hello.
camera.
Hello, he's showing off again with his new birthday presents to himself.
So, we'll get it set up and get some footage of it.
Hang on, mate.
We've got a bit of sun.
What colour's that? They're supposed to be red.
Yep, it's metallic black.
Ooh, I do like that, mate. It's a
Yeah.
lovely job you've done on that.
It's
Let's
very
get it nice and mucky then.
Yep.
Because we've come to this woods, haven't we? And it's a bit dirty and
It is.
leafy and yeah.
It's been dry for a day or two, so hey.
Yeah, fingers
Let's
crossed.
see how we go.
See how it goes.
So here we are in the woods. Mr. Rob Brennan.
He's got a new gimbal, guys, and it's a bit weird. Look, I turn it, look, and I don't know, look, it's not pointing the wrong way. He's over there.
I'm here.
You got a crap camera operator, dude. It's not the gimbal. Oh, look, let's check it out. Hey. It does all right, doesn't it?
It does.
He's showing off now with his posh filming equipment.
Yeah, another birthday present to come. Not that I'm milking the 60th and nothing.
Yeah, old git. But it's still a crappy old Sony camera though, mate.
It is.
That only just about fits on there.
Yes, just.
We are recording, by the way.
Yes, I thought we were.